Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has reaffirmed the liberation struggle's core objectives, emphasizing reclaiming land and achieving self-determination. Sabina mashikobula kapangwa na chiti, one man, one vote. Vice President Chiwenga affirms liberation principle. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa ino ichami VP Constantino Chiwenga vachidzokera back. Aiwa to square number one. Vachiti aiwa, one man, one vote. Ndo zvatinoziva, ndo zvinonyatso uya zvichisapota the ideals of the liberation struggle. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Makopi Shabdanyana Chiti. Speaking at Comrade Miriam Kangai's funeral wake, Chiwenga urged youth to recognize liberation hero sacrifices, ensuring every voice counts and the land is returned to rightful owners. Source the Herald Zimbabwe. Mukanya's statement aligns with the ZANU-PF's 1963 policy declaration, emphasizing one man, one vote. This contrast with the Minister Ziyambi's claim that the liberation was not fought for one man, one vote. Chiwenga's involvement in the struggle lends credibility to his assertion. Ziyambi, who lost ZANU-PF primary elections twice, may be pushing the bill to maintain power. Zimbabweans are rejecting the bill, citing concerns it undermines democratic principles. Many believe Ziyambi is pushing for personal gain, contradicting liberation values. The bill's controversy highlights tensions between the government push for changes and citizens' demands for transparency. Chiwenga's words have sparked interest in understanding the struggle's core values. Though developments aripo, Chiwenga panguva ino achivaudza kuti zvamuri kuita izvi hazvisi izvo. We must know kuti isusu takarwa hondo, and you must recognize us and everyone who took part in the liberation war. And panguva ino, according to the 1963 policy declaration, kunofanira kuitwa one man, one vote. Pina comment section medu zafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko agenerali. So kana subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.